The director, Ashish sir, is amazing. I have messaged him a zillion times that this is, I feel, by far one of the best things that I have done as an actor, because creatively I feel satisfied. I feel थोड़ा सा satisfied. I want to do a lot in my life,
Yeah.
but here I feel कि जैसे आपने बोला potential थोड़ा सा tap हुआ है.
We love Mohsin and Heli's chemistry.
Yeah.
We wish to see them together again. Maybe in a music video, a project. कुछ तो ऐसा कभी कुछ हो सकता है? Are you guys still in touch with each other?
Of course, we are still in touch. We are great friends. Our fans also know that once in a while we make some random reel and we post it. So yeah, we did a music video called
That was
Oof,
good success. I think
yeah,
2 साल
sung by
पहले आया था.
Shreya Ghoshal ji, my favorite singer, together. So that's my most special video.
कुछ टाइम पहले एक बहुत ही म्यूजिक वीडियो पॉपुलर आया था जिस वाज कॉल्ड खाली बोतल, जिसमें अभिषेक कुमार वाज देयर. दैट वाज आल्सो काइंड ऑफ लाइक
Yes,
अ
I
पीरियड
saw
सेटअप
it.
एंड एवरीथिंग.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
एंड आपका भी आई थिंक आप लोग यू अभिषेक एंड ऑल यू वेल ऑलवेज आई बिलीव चिलिंग समवेयर.
Yes,
कुछ तो था. हाँ.
I
तो
saw
उस
that video. I
हाँ
really liked it. I told him.
के बाद से द स्पेकुलेशन दैट हैज बीन कि यार is Abhishek and Heli working together in some music video या कुछ तो is that happening? कुछ उस स्पेस पे हो रहा है?
I think something.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you say when you hear this word called अनदेखी, तुमको लगता है कि यार क्या नहीं देखा मैंने. लेकिन अगर अनदेखी सीजन 3 के बारे में मैं बात करूं तो आपने हेली दारूवाला का टैलेंट जो है वो और ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से देखा है. दैट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. एंड जब से द अनाउंसमेंट हैज़ बीन डन टिल नाउ टुडे व्हेन द प्रोजेक्ट इज आउट, एवरीबडी who have seen the project, including your fans, they are saying this thing कि यार हेली जो है, the acting potential was always there, but it has been tapped brilliantly in this particular project, and you also feel the same, which is why you went ahead with this, right? What is your opinion on this entire feedback?
Absolutely,
Hello.
I think. Okay, thank you. Absolutely, I feel I've got a very substantial part to play in this, and something that I've never explored before. And it has many layers, many characters. I mean, the characters many layers.
It and many shades, I meant.
Right.
So yeah, I feel that थोड़ा सा potential जो
Tap
tap
हुआ है
कर
करके.
सकते थे वो
Yeah.
शायद सबको लगे कि हुआ है.
Yeah.
Because I am very satisfied, as in I can't keep on watching myself again and again. I'm very critical about myself, but I'm satisfied with the whole process and the whole journey. The team, the director, Ashish sir, is amazing. I have messaged him a zillion times that this is, I feel, by far one of the best things that I have done as an actor, because creatively I feel satisfied. Rest is up to the audience and people. If they like it, they don't like it. Of course, sir, I told sir also to give me a feedback. Ke please bata do agar, if I mean, obviously a feedback is important.
Yeah.
Where I can improve and where I cannot. But creatively as an actor, I feel थोड़ा सा satisfied. I want to do a lot in my life,
Yeah.
but here I feel कि जैसे आपने बोला potential थोड़ा सा tap हुआ है.
You mentioned this thing very interestingly right now कि as an individual you're very critical about yourself,
Yeah.
right? But at the end of the day, the profession that you are in, I mean, it is something that drives based on your confidence, right? So कभी-कभी जब आप ज़्यादा critical हो जाते हो अपने बारे में, so काफ़ी लोगों के साथ क्या होता है कि वो जो confidence factor है, that sometimes takes a back seat. How do you ensure कि despite being critical with your work, your confidence level doesn't ever take a hit, irrespective of how frequently you're seen on screen?
Right. I feel that confidence is key. Obviously, you have to be confident in what you're doing in your life, no matter whatever field you are in. Uh, as in, but confidence comes when you educate yourself enough about your craft or your art or any field that you're working in, so it builds up over time. And also you have to be um how do I put it? You have to be so well versed with what you are doing, as in by constantly working on it.
Correct.
That's where you can build your confidence. But you cannot be overconfident or arrogant also, because I feel there is always scope for improvement.
Yeah.
कोई भी फील्ड हो, हम ऐसे तो बोल ही नहीं सकते कि अरे आई हैव अचीव्ड इट ऑल, आई गॉट इट ऑल, इवन इफ यूर अ डांसर, एक्टर, राइटर, एनीथिंग, because it's a creative field, right? You have to keep on stimulating your brain.
Correct.
So whenever I see myself, it's not that I don't like it. I like some parts of what I have done, because obviously you see your journey as an actor also, that okay, I've grown. Like पहले मैं ये करती थी, अब मैं थोड़ा सा ये कर रही हूँ. Like I've done different roles also, and as an actor with experience also, you grow, right? And you like yourself on screen sometimes. But अगर मैं बार बार देखती रहूंगी, like I'm like अच्छा ठीक है, या तो मैं ना देखूं क्योंकि मैंने तब देख लिया है जब शूट हो रहा था. But मैं बार बार नहीं देख सकती एपिसोड. Then I'll find out things that, oh shit, this I could have done it in a better way. This I could have, because it's a creative medium.
True.
Every time you see, your perspective might be a little bit different. Yeah, कि ये ऐसे हो सकता था, ये वैसे हो सकता था.
You know, इतने सालों का career already and you have started right from the scratches and you're building on from there. Like वो होता है ना, forced to reckon with, धीरे धीरे आप बनते हो. You know, अगर मैं पूछूं flashbacks के बारे में, what is that very favorite flashback of yours जब आपने start किया था काम, which still you know kind of you know rings in as a memory and a happy memory, जिसको देख के you feel कि यार एक time पे मैंने ये किया था, now I have come this far in life.
I think it's always my first show on Channel V. It was called Humse Hai Life.
Oh yeah.
Quite popular, yeah, in the kids and college at that time.
Yeah, youth-centric show.
Youth-centric show. I've done a lot of youth-centric show, but that was like, we still go back. We still, all of us are like really close friends. हम जब भी मिलते हैं, हम अभी भी सेम ही जोक पे हंसते हैं जो इतने साल पहले हमने वो सेट पे क्रैक किया था. But that's our internal jokes, you know, and like that memory of the first shot that we gave, that I gave, and the team was so amazing. The friends, they are still my very close friends. So the whole unit was so amazing, including the producers, directors, everybody. So I felt like, wow, इतना अच्छे से इतने मजे आ रहे हैं. ऐसे लग रहा है कि स्कूल भी जा रहे हैं हम, हमें पैसे भी दे रहे हैं एक्टिंग करने के. It was like a picnic, and it was also a learning process, and I've learned a lot with that set of directors, producers, and my team. So I think it laid the foundation. And yeah, so whenever I go back or flashback में वही आता है, because we all still miss it. It's still so, like we are still stuck there. मतलब मुझे पूरा set भी याद है अभी. मतलब I know where my room was, कितना distance से कहाँ ऊपर नीचे. I remember everything. Usually, like if I close my eyes, I can like go back into it in 1 second.
And Channel V at that point of time was known for such shows. हाँ, मतलब इतने सारे, I mean, great content at that point of time coming up. You know, अनदेखी जो है कहानी, of course season after season कहानी तो बदलता रहेगा, evolve होता रहेगा, but the crux of the matter is basically you know, the powerful, you know, getting all the way more powerful, and when the victims, they are actually kind of you know realizing that उनको दबाया जा रहा है etc, they kind of you know rise from that scenario and ensure कि यार हमारे साथ अगर कुछ गलत या अत्याचार हो रहा है, हम उस चीज के खिलाफ आवाज उठाए, right? Now आवाज उठाना is not always like going haywire with protests, and it can happen on an individual level as well, especially with film, you know, an industry like you know say entertainment, where you know people might pretend to be you know good in front of you, but आपके पीठ पीछे जाके they're trying to backstab you etc. शायद आपके पीठ पीछे they're trying to kind of like you know provoke other people around to say कि इनको काम ना दो. Yes, you hear these kind of instances, right? And कभी ना कभी जाके I'm sure if not in a huge magnitude, कहीं ना कहीं जाके आपके साथ भी ऐसा हुआ होगा, and to come out of that situation and then still fight that and then again do good work in your own space takes a lot. तो मुझे बताओ आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है where you were doing your bit, everything that you had in your control was done perfectly from your end, but due to external factors आपके करियर को कहीं ना कहीं जाके sabotage किया जा रहा था?
नहीं नहीं, इतना तो I have been blessed and lucky that no, I'm sure it happens. I mean, we know that it happens somewhere or the other. But itna, I think like I started with the right people. My first show
that
was
really
with the right
matters.
people. The second show was with the same people. So I am so grateful to them because they and I had them to guide me. Obviously, then 1, 2 shows, उसके बाद तो then it's your own journey, and then you know you can.
Correct.
I mean, you have to pick and choose what shows are coming to you and what you want to do or not. But I have been blessed with good people. Good producers, good directors, co-actors. They all are still my friends. मेरे सारे show में से मेरे सारे इतने सारे दोस्त हैं. And I feel blessed and I feel lucky that I was surrounded by such nice people. Once or twice, yes, you experience certain issues. Um, I mean, those are very, but then that's like you have to take a stand for yourself. You can't let anyone, because if you are doing everything right, like you said, you are doing your work right, you are doing everything with ethics and with, you know,
Right
your
conduct.
right conduct, then you cannot, then you need to speak up where it's required, because then it becomes too late. You have to lay the foundation in the first go that listen, this, अगर professionally कर रहे हैं तो ये है, अगर आपके ये रूल्स है तो मेरे ये रूल्स है,
हम्म,
मतलब इन द सेंस। बट आई डोंट थिंक जहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनली काम हो रहा होता है, मुझे वहां पे मुझे नहीं लगता है ऐसी
इशू
कोई
दिक्कत नहीं
इशू
होता।
होती है।
हम्म,
इट्स अ टू वे थिंग, यू हैव टू
हम्म,
लिसन टू द
हम्म,
अदर पर्सन एज वेल। ऐसा आई मीन हो सकता है समटाइम्स कोई एक ही इंसान किसी को दबा रहा हो। आई फील इट्स अ टू वे थिंग। इफ
हम्म,
यू आर डूइंग योर जॉब राइट एंड योर
हम्म,
conduct is right,
हम्म।
I don't think there is any reason for
But chalo,
anyone to
good
do
thing,
that.
touch wood, that is hasn't happened with you, because we keep hearing such stories on and off. When when you're joining a very successful franchise, what does it add to you as a personality, and what does it add to you as an actor? Because the there are certain shows which are like driven based on your popularity, and fast like aap kuch naya karte ho, people come and say, okay, fine, there's Heli over here, we want to see, this is a new thing, new season, new show, etc. And on the other hand, it's like two forces combining, where Heli's popularity also comes into play, the show's popularity also comes into play. So mujhe bataiye, when you join a popular franchise like this, which has gained so much of success before, what is perhaps the most exciting thing, and what is the most challenging thing?
I don't think any actors, I mean, at least my popularity has to do anything with as in, obviously, my fans will be excited that I'm a part of it, but the show, there is nothing beyond a show and the content of the show. Uh, I feel that, the content of any show is what makes the show. Yes,
Hmm.
actors come and they give their own uh,
Inputs.
inputs, nahi, and as in their own element of
Hmm.
flavor to the
Yeah.
particular character. And that's where, if I could be very, very popular, for
Hmm.
example, and I can, and if I don't perform, I don't think people would want to watch it,
Yeah.
right?
The
So,
longevity takes a hit.
right. So first is the writing or the content of the show, and then comes in a good actor who's able to deliver it. Then it's, of course, popularity and all that happens when your show does well, or
Hmm.
what have you done in the past, and your fans are excited to see it. But I think it's a responsibility on you also, not to perform
With
that well.
great power comes great responsibility. As far as not just acting space in OTT or others, TV, I mean, आपके काफी म्यूजिक वीडियोस भी है जो कि बहुत सारे पॉपुलर है. मैं कुछ दिन पहले ही I just searched your hashtag on Instagram, and the first video that popped up was your music video where कुछ तो एक reel था, fan created with Mohsin, right?
अच्छा.
So a lot, I saw the comments over there because I knew that I'm going to be interviewing you. So वहाँ पे casually कितने fans ने लिखा, यार, we love Mohsin and Heli's
Yeah.
chemistry, we wish to see them together again, maybe in a music video, a project, कुछ तो ऐसा कभी कुछ हो सकता है? Are you guys still in touch with each other?
Of course. He's like I told you, मेरे
हाँ.
शो के फ्रेंड्स तो मेरे अभी भी अच्छे
So that
फ्रेंड्स
that's
है.
been relevant for every
we
show
did
and
a
project
we
of
did a
yours.
show. I mean, we did a show long back. I don't even remember which year. It was such a long time ago. And then, of course, we are still in touch. We are great friends. Our fans also know that once in a while we make some random reel and we post it. So yeah, we did a music video called
That
Oof.
was
Called
good
Oof,
success. I think
yeah,
2 साल
sung by
पहले आया था.
Shreya Ghoshal ji, my favorite singer, together. So that's my most special video. Yeah, if Mohsin sir is free, then we can do something. I don't know. You have to ask him.
मोहसिन सर को मैं चलो पूछता हूँ. डन, वी वांट दिस कोलैबोरेशन टू हैपन अगेन. फैंस का डिमांड है, तो ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू टेक इट इनटू कंसिडरेशन. As far as work is concerned, there are things which performing artists achieve, and there are things which performing artists feel कि चलो इतना कर लिए, अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप को अगर मैं अपने आप को एनहांस करूँ या फिर अपग्रेड करूँ, दिस इज व्हाट आई नीड टू हिट, दिस शुड बी माय टारगेट. Have you set any target for yourself now that Andekhi has happened in such a brilliant way? Any personal milestones that you have set कि यार ये मुझे achieve करना है?
Yeah, I want to milestone wise to see. I crave for good roles. I crave for, as every artist or every good actor would, like, want to do different
Hmm.
roles, explore. But my personal, like, my wish list, or where my heart is like a
Hmm.
period drama, because I'm a
Oh,
Kathak dancer. I love that space. I've said this like so many times, but I say it every day, and
manifest.
that's
Let's do it.
something. But that's something that has been with me since I was in school. Like, when
Hmm.
I used to watch any film, as in Devdas is my most favorite film. I
Hmm.
think I've said it so many times. So whenever I used to watch something like that or dance to those songs, I used to be like, this is the world that I want to be in. I want to live in this world. So yeah, that is something which would be like a milestone for me if I do something in that space.
Hmm. I hope this video कभी ना कभी जाके reaches to Sanjay Leela
Oh my
Bhansali sir, the
God!
master of period
Oh
dramas.
my God!
बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं जाके वो होता भी है ना, लाइक किसी के अपीयरेंस से समझ में आता ही है कि यार वो एज अ बेगम शी विल डू रियली वेल, एज अ रॉयल पर्सनालिटी शी विल डू रियली वेल, सो आई होप दैट हैपेंस एज वेल.
Thank you.
मूवी में हो या म्यूजिक वीडियो में हो, व्हाटएवर
कहीं
यू
भी हो.
कहीं भी हो, you get to live your dream. As far as now, since you mentioned, I have to bring this on. You mentioned about royalty and that kind of class
Period
and
drama,
period
yeah.
drama kind of stuff. कुछ टाइम पहले एक बहुत ही म्यूजिक वीडियो पॉपुलर आया था, दिस वाज कॉल्ड खाली बोतल, जिसमें अभिषेक कुमार वाज देयर. दैट वाज आल्सो काइंड ऑफ लाइक
Yes,
अ
I
पीरियड
saw
सेटअप
it.
एंड एवरीथिंग.
Yeah.
एंड आपका भी, आई थिंक आप लोग, यू अभिषेक एंड ऑल, यू वेल ऑलवेज आई बिलीव चिलिंग समवेयर,
Yes,
कुछ तो था. हाँ.
I
तो
saw
उस
that video. I
हाँ,
really liked it. I told him, and
तो उसके बाद से द स्पेकुलेशन दैट हैज बीन कि यार is Abhishek and Helly working together in some music video या कुछ, तो is that happening, कुछ उस स्पेस पे हो रहा है?
I think something might happen very soon, but we've not got that
अरे,
right song. So nobody's given us the right song.
so
When it
but you
happens,
want to collaborate as
of
friends, right?
course, why not? Of course, why not?
So what did you tell him regarding the song at that time?
No, I saw it before it. I mean, I saw it. He had the snippets and all, and
Yeah.
obviously I saw it after it released also. I really liked it, and I'm like, wow, यार, मुझे ये गाना करना था.
But never mind, since you mentioned period drama, मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले वही आया. So I hope fans get to see you and Abhishek or Mohsin or whoever, जो भी है, आपको अपना सपना जीने का जो है, you get that opportunity and you continue to shine this way.
Thank you.
Last question before I let you go would be that everything that you have achieved in your career so far, I'm sure it's a lot about distributing that as well going forward, right? Because people who attain success, it's also about imparting that knowledge and experience to others, so that आगे का generation जो है, they also kind of take it forward. I'm sure young girls out there, maybe in their teens, who are your fans, they must be coming up to you in events, etc., and asking ki, Helly, we have loved the way you have done this, we have loved the way you have done, that. We want to be like you, or we want to be somewhat close to what you have achieved. What do you tell those young girls?
First of all, it's very important to be like you, like yourself, right? And whatever drives you, it does not have to necessarily be what I am doing, but whatever you are interested in or you love to do with all your heart, I think just work on it. Make yourself so skilled that there is no place for rejection. I'm not saying that you might not, you will get rejected, but that's okay because good things are coming, better things will come. And if you work hard and if you're at it, then I don't think there's anything that can stop you.
You're absolutely unstoppable, just like the way she says. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best for
Thank
everything
you
that you
so
do in your
much.
future. एंड जिन्होंने भी अभी तक नहीं देखा है अंधे की सीजन 3, सोनी लिव पे है, जाओ जाके देखो
Yes.
फटाफट. सोनी लिव खोलते हो तो और कुछ नहीं, बस यही देखो, इनको देखो, प्रोजेक्ट देखो, इन पे ढेर सारा प्यार इनको जताओ. Her DMs are open. She can always read your feedbacks over there. Thank you so much, guys. That's a wrap on the Sunny G Show by Rohit Consulting. This is your host Shubhajit with the one and only Helly Daruwala. She's done absolutely brilliant work in Andeki season 3. Like I said, I'm reiterating again. देखो फटाफट जाके देखो. Thank you so much.
Good at like the closing line.
Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. And thank you till we bring Helly once again in our platform.